Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that might surprise you. Wildfires. Now I know what you're thinking. Wildfires are destructive and dangerous, but here's the twist. Some wildfires are actually beneficial for forest ecosystems. Intrigued? Let's get into it. First off, wildfires play a crucial role in maintaining the health of forests. You see, fire helps to clear out dead and decaying plant matter, making room for new growth. It's like nature's way of hitting the reset button. By removing this debris, wildfires allow sunlight to reach the forest floor, encouraging the growth of new plants and trees. And that's not all. Certain plant species actually depend on fire to reproduce. Take the lodgepole pine, for example. Its cones are sealed with a resin that only melts under intense heat, releasing seeds that will eventually grow into new trees. Without fire, these species would struggle to survive. Wildfires also help to control insect populations. Insects like bark beetles can wreak havoc on forests, but fire acts as a natural check on their numbers. By reducing the population of these pests, wildfires help to maintain the balance within the ecosystem. Now let's talk about wildlife. While it may seem counterintuitive, many animals actually benefit from wildfires. For instance, deer and elk are drawn to the nutrient-rich plants that sprout up after a fire. Birds like the woodpecker feast on insects in the charred trees. Even small mammals find new habitats in the altered landscape. Of course, it's important to remember that not all wildfires are beneficial. Human-caused fires, particularly those in areas not adapted to fire, can be devastating. But in fire-prone ecosystems, natural wildfires play an essential role in maintaining the health and diversity of the forest. So next time you hear about a wildfire, remember that it's not all bad news. In many cases, fire is a vital part of the natural cycle, helping forests to renew and thrive. It's a powerful reminder of nature's resilience and ability to adapt. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature insights. Until next time, take care and stay curious.